Hey guys, what's up? Sandeep Ramesh here. I am super excited to share a big update from my end, right? I've been riding a Kawasaki Z900 for the last 14 months. I've had incredible fun. This middleweight street naked performance has done everything that a biker like me could dream of, right? There's hardly any surface that I've not ridden the Kawasaki Z900 on. You name it, on the highways, that is the Tarmacs, where I had breakfast rides and I had long touring runs covering the southern and the western belt of India, right from Kanyakumari all the way up till Indo-Pak border, just after Tanot Mata temple in Rajasthan. Been there. So I've done off-roading on my Kawasaki Z900, and I've also ridden on the rocks. So some of you who have seen my previous videos, you would see all of that moments that I've captured. But yes, it's an incredible machine, no doubt about it. But there was a point in that I felt that I need to upgrade, primarily because since I've been touring, and there's some bit of it which I'll tell you that I needed to do, right? So touring is not so difficult on a Kawasaki Z900, but it's not impossible. But it is, like I said, it's a little difficult. So when I rode to Rajasthan, I felt a little fatigue while coming back to Bangalore. When we started the journey, we did to Goa, then covered Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan. But while coming back, I could feel the fatigue. But a big bike like an adventure or a touring motorcycle wouldn't do that, because the bike is built for long miles, and hence I decided to upgrade, and I realized that this is the point in my life that I have to upgrade. Now, I've had plenty of memories with Kawasaki Z900, and it is really hard for me to let go, because it is as good as a family member to me, right? I've taken care like a baby, nurtured her, I refer as her. But yeah, it was difficult to let go, but for the better. Let's take a look at what all I've done on my Kawasaki Z900. Great. So that's how my journey has been. So after this, I did a couple of breakfast rides, and I did off-roading to Kailashgiri, which you may see in the link above. Now, for the big update. You wouldn't believe, for the last 3 weeks, it has been so anxious. I mean, I don't think I was ever so anxious. Probably this is second to the days leading to my marriage. But it's been an anxious couple of weeks, like I said, and I finally have it. You want to know what this is about? I'm talking about the upgrade. I'm talking about the Honda Africa Twin. Let's check it out. there you go. That's my new upgrade, the Honda Africa Twin. One of the key reasons I chose the Honda Africa Twin is because, to be honestly, I just got bored of riding on the tarmac. After riding for 17,000 kilometers on a middleweight street naked, that is Kawasaki Z900, I can tell you this. Keep riding on the highway, you get, no doubt you'll get beautiful sceneries, the visuals which will just ignite your soul, that kind of, which you've seen some of them, right, in my earlier videos. However, I felt I need to do a little more. Just go off the tarmac, explore the unexplored, go wild, go see the unseen. I just wanted to do all of that. The reality is that if you have to get to an off-road location, 70% of them would be, you'll be riding on a tarmac. But it's okay. That 30% of joy would just, inspire someone like me to do a lot things. So I always said this, right? Riding makes someone better, and I'm a strong believer in that. Now, another reason why I went for this is because, yes, I wanted to do off-roading, but the Pillion comfort is absolutely fantastic. So I did a test ride taking Suman's bike, which is again a Honda Africa Twin, and I rode with my wife to Munnar, and it's one of the best rides that I've ever had. So all causes is taken care of. I wanted to do off-roading, I also wanted a Pillion comfort to be taken care of, and Honda Africa Twin, baby. There's no other better bike, according to me, in this segment. So there you go. So now all the experiences and the emotions I'm going to show you, it's not just going to be just on plain tarmac, right? It's going to be a lot of off-roading and hopefully a lot of touring, which does not involve just the state borders. Who knows? Could be international as well. So keep it checked. This is Sandeep Ramesh signing off. Take care.